How to fix MacBook won't turn on. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the foremost fix is to check the power source. Make sure your charger is plugged in and working, or you can also try a different power outlet and make sure to use the original Apple charger, and also look for signs such as charging light if you are using a MagSafe charger, or keyboard backlight or screen flicker. The next fix is to force restart your Mac. So hold the power button for 10 seconds and then release the power button. Now press it once again briefly to try powering it on again. This can clear temporary glitches that prevent booting. The next fix is you can try to reset the system management controller. Make sure that system management controller works only for Intel-based Macs and not for Apple Silicon. So if you are using Intel-based Macs, then press and hold the Shift plus Control plus Option plus Power keys for 10 seconds, and then release all keys and then press the power key again to start. SMC reset helps fix hardware-related issues like charging, black screen, fan problems, etc. And you can also try to boot into safe mode. So press the power button and then immediately hold Shift. Release Shift when you see the Apple logo. Safe mode disables non-essential software and checks your disk. It is helpful if a crashed app caused the issue. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix MacBook won't turn on. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.